How to hide photos on any iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide photos on any iPhone. So let's begin. So for iPhone users, you don't need any um, third-party apps that you may use so that you may hide your photos. So on the Photos app alone on iPhone, you may hide photos by opening it and choose the photo that you want. So for example, I will choose this one. So you may press on select right here, select on that photo and click on the share button right here and then scroll down and look for the hide option right here. So you may choose hide and then click on hide photo once again. So once you hide that photo, you may be able to see that on the album section of your phone. So what you're going to do is to go back to albums and then scroll down and you may be able to see the hidden um, section or folder right here. So let's say for example that you don't want this hidden folder, you may go to settings. So let's just go back first and scroll until you can see the Photos app. So click on Photos, scroll down and turn off this hidden album right here. So this one, the hidden album. So turn it off, and then once you go back to Photos, you may not be able to see that album right here. So again, you don't need other apps to hide photos on any iPhone. What you're going to do is just go to the photo that you want to hide, um, press on the share button, and then that's it. That's how you can hide photos on any iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.